How to check your loan application status on Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see where your Truist loan application stands, well here is how you can do it using the Truist online banking. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here simply log in with your credentials and once logged in on your main dashboard, you can just click on loans or personal loans and after that, you just have to select the loan type you applied for. And there, we just need to look at the loan application status or my application link and click it to view whether your application is pending, approved, or need more info. And some applications may show next steps or document needed, so keep an eye on email notification for updates from Twist. And that's it. That's how you can check your loan application status on Twist. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.